everybody. So I am getting ready to teach this gingerbread pattern inside of my Painting for Profits group. Let me bring this up over here. So I've got about an hour before I go live, and this is just a bonus tutorial because I have gotten so many Easter projects for this season that I'm running out of time. So it's just kind of a bonus tutorial. Let me see here. Oh, that came right up. So my whole, oops, hold on. My whole premise is I want a chocolate bunny egg with a gingerbread. That was what I wanted for the whole thing, was gingerbread, rabbit. So I'm trying to think, I think I started this project over there. Or maybe I had it here on my page. Anyway, I can't remember, but inside the group I'll give them a line drawing. I know it's getting too close to Easter to really paint a lot, especially if you're selling product. So, but if I have to hold on to this till next year, guarantee it'll probably never get done. So I need to bring it to life. In fact, this week we, did we do this week? We did, I don't know what day it is. It's Tuesday, isn't it? I don't remember what my project was this week. Oh, it was the rabbit. That's what. It was inside Painting of the Month Club this week. So this is what we did on Tuesday. I can't wait to get this sublimated and put on some wreath rounds. In fact, I need to get that done tomorrow. I love this one. So I'm in, now that my sublimation machine is going. Oh, you know what? I have a few little, I can see now, I didn't finish the ear. And I didn't go and finish the tail. So that's another thing that I need to get done so I can make photos tomorrow. Anyway, I think it's going to be really cute on a wreath attachment. That's what I'm getting ready to do with all of these paintings that I'm doing. I'm going to turn them into wreath attachments, garden flags. I see Marcy is on here. Marcy came here last week, her and Jennifer, and we talked about plans on, you know, I paint all the time, but I never sell any of it because I don't want to paint it. Once I paint it once, I don't want to paint it again, and all the things. So now once this time change has gotten better, I don't know about you guys, but it was 10 hours of sleep last night. I can't get over this time change. It always gets me. Oops. And I don't know about you guys, but the rain is coming down here. It's just starting, so at least I'm not in my shed with the tin roof, so maybe it won't be so loud. We'll see. Hi, Marilyn. I haven't been on for a while. So I can't say that I haven't seen any of you for a while because I haven't been on for a while. I've been trying to get so many Easter projects that I started finished. So I've been live more on my inside of my painting group so that I can just give them extra tutorials because I got to move on. So next week, I'm going to, I just did the snowman one. Next week, I want to do something patriotic already. And I'm trying to figure out what animal I'm going to turn patriotic, because after you just saw that last rabbit, I'm really loving animals. I have painted some really good rabbits, and now I'm ready to move on. But I don't know. I'm going to have to poll everybody. I don't know if I want... Last night I did the Highland cow with the chickens. But I want something Americana. So my plan is like holding a banner from one hoof to the other. I'm going to do that. And it's holding an Americana banner. And it might have an Americana bandana around its head. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Ooh, Nancy, you've got a good one. A good day. Yeah, maybe I should unplug everything, you think? I never even thought about that. You're right. You are right. I should unplug everything. All that machinery back there. Because actually, that machinery just came in and I don't have insurance on any of it yet. That would be a good idea. I got my building insured. I don't know about the rest of you, but it's like insurance is going completely crazy. I called to get quotes with this equipment in here, but I was going to call around and I haven't done that. It's like $100 to just cover my building the way it is a month without the machinery, so it's insane. Between that, and I'm sure most of you aren't from around here, but our clinic, the one that I go to the hospital, go to the doctor, the whole deal, now charges, not covered by insurance, not covered by Medicare, nothing covers it. It's $150 to walk on their property. So usually my insurance covers most everything except the deductible. But I got a bill in the mail, and my husband, just for labs, $150 a piece. So if it's like that here, it's going to get that way everywhere. It's an administrative fee. And so like Porter went, and you know how you go to the doctor's office and you pull up in your car and they give you a COVID test? Yep. His was only $99, but my husband's like, I'm on Medicare. They're not going to do that to me. He got the bill today on his phone. Well, his was 104. For some reason, they took 47 off of mine and his. But not going to go to the doctor unless it's total emergency now. Oh. Oh, yeah, an Americana gingerbread would be cute. That'd be really cute. It was storming here this morning too. I couldn't find my car keys, of course. So I walked to the gym with my umbrella because it wasn't raining yet. Then I came out, my husband came to pick me up. He found my car keys. So I didn't have to walk home in the rain. Yeah, that needs to go down here. Is it nice where you are, Penny? Or is it storming? I kind of want to go back in and make his eyes bigger now. I got to have some stuff ready for my sale. I'm doing a sale over on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace on Monday. Over there we have auction. What is today? Today's Thursday. I got to get my auction ready. So if you guys saw that Highland cow picture that I redid, that farm picture, it's going on my auction tomorrow. And I got to look. Can't put too much on because I don't have much for the sale on Monday, but I am going to work on sublimating some of my designs. Since I know how to now. Okay, so on the chocolate part, you know what gave me this inspiration was a Cadbury egg. That's what I wanted. I wanted a Cadbury egg looking design that was a sugar egg, so all the brown on the outer edge is going to be diamond dusted. And so this is the inside of a sugar egg, but it's also a Cadbury egg. Speaking of those, I've been really good, and I've only had 2 so far this year. But I have 3 sitting waiting for me, but I have actually not eaten them. I'm saving them since I'm a type 1 diabetic. It's like when my blood sugar gets really low, it's going to be my treat. Hi, Peg. You're hungry, but you're not eating? Guys, my cholesterol went up for the first time. And, well, I've been supposed to have been taking statins for the past 5 years after my heart attack, but my cholesterol was always about 130. I don't know about you guys, but I hate taking statins. They make my legs sore. They gave me a new one the other day, so now I'm going back to being a vegetarian for the most part. So it's like I made up a big thing of beans and rice the other day. I love beans though. I was vegetarian before I had the heart attack, and I used to make bean pudding I was good with beans. I was really good with, I don't really miss meat until Marcy was here and we had the best bacon, and so now it's like I'm back to the stuff. So I'm on the overnight oats kick. Bought me the containers. Went to Walmart the other day, bought overnight oats. You know, they get you $4 and something for a box of oatmeal called overnight oats. And then you could have got the regular, great big thing of regular oatmeal for only $2 and something. And it's like, there's not much difference. Oats is oats, right? I used to be big on mixing oatmeal and everything, and so now I get to go back to that. But I can eat beans every day of the week. I am obsessed with beans, soup beans. As long as they got ketchup on them, I'm good. That looks good. Oh. Hi, Linda. Oh, you like dark chocolate? Oh, I've tried. I've ate a little bit, and I'm sure that once you get used to it, it's better. It's getting used to it. That's the thing. They are really sweet, but when my blood sugar's down, it's like I don't care. I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I'm not hungry unless my blood sugar's really low. I could look at a box of Ding Dongs, and if my blood sugars are okay, it would be hard for me to even eat one. But man, you let my blood sugars drop, and I can devour a whole box within minutes. Seriously, minutes. And I'm talking about 4 or 5 minutes, the whole box. Well, I like that. I haven't decided if I think I'm going to do white dogwood trees. That's what these things are over here. But I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to go and change my water so I can teach class. And go unplug all my machinery back there, because that's the last thing I need. You can eat a whole box of Ding Dongs.